Hi everyone, I am Saroj. Welcome to everybody for the new topic on the csap.net, a new journey for a beginner. You can start learn from what is the csap.net about all these things. It is foundation on which where we can build, design, develop the applications. It is a framework which contains more than 3000 plus language characteristics have been formed as a single group where we can use one language further within other language. Before .NET, people are using different languages for different purposes. We need a language for what implementation any kind of application like console application, window application, web application, mobile application, service oriented. So before we have to know all these things about the .NET framework, we what we will cover in this video, that is what is C Sharp.net, components of .NET C Sharp.net framework, and then the type of application we are using the C Sharp.net. Okay, so let's have a look on the C Sharp.net. C Sharp pronounced as C Sharp and written as C and the hashtag like this. It is an object-oriented programming language created by Microsoft that run on the .NET framework. So, as you know, uh, when we can use one language features within another language, like if you know about VB.NET and another person know about the C Sharp.NET, both will work in same project as both are .NET framework language. Okay, so next, what is it is the object-oriented programming language. So you have one basic idea about the OOPS concept, which is used in the previous language like C++, Java, like this. So and the language is close to other people, popular language like C++ and Java. The first version was released in 2002. The last version, C Sharp 12, was released in November 2023. C Sharp is used for several purposes like mobile application. You can use C Sharp to build a mobile application, a desktop application, web services, websites, games, database application, and much more. Like these things, you can use C Sharp.net programming language. Then the next part is C Sharp components. Means in C Sharp, what we will use for the making a web application or window application. The components of C Sharp is the first is CLR. CLR stands for Common Language Runtime. That means it is the responsible for debugging, uh, exception handling, security purpose, and version purposes. So you have to first understand what is the CLR. CLR, as the name is say that it is the heart or central part of the .NET framework. It takes our application which is written in any .NET specific language such as VB.NET, C Sharp.NET, then it convert into its native process code called MSIL. That means intermediate language or Microsoft intermediate language, we can say that. Then this MSIL code never understood by the operating system directly. So another compiler is used to take this responsibility to convert MSIL code to machine understandable code without giving any headache or burden to the sealer and execute it in the through of JIT, that is the just in time. Okay, so there is the clear visual that application or any application like VB.NET or CSAT.NET that written in the human readable language, it is first sent to the CLR, then CLR is sent to the intermediate language, through intermediate language it is sent to operating system by the help of J8, just in time. Then we have checked that the CTS, common type system. As the name say that it is the common type system. Type means the data type we are going to use for a variable, that is the integer or float, any kinds of data type we can use. In C sharp you use int data type. For VB.NET you use .NET int. In system in the common type system, due to possible between the languages, in the both are integer, it can use in the one language, that is the system int 32. CTS is the value type. There are two types of CTS, that is the value type, which is directly used, and the reference type, which is indirectly used. Directly used like built-in type, user defined type, and reference use, that is the object, class, interface, array, like this. So this is the components of .NET framework. We can say another component, that is the CLS, common language specification, FCL, framework class library, BCL, base class library. All these things we can say that the components of .NET framework. And another is the ASP.NET, and Edu.NET. All these things are the components of .NET framework. Use of C Sharp.net, we can create different application in C Sharp, which I have already say that the console. There is three types of we can use here. I will show you all the programs and all the console application, window application programs in one by one video. Just like and follow my channel. If you have any doubt on this topic of .NET framework, you can ask me in the comment section. I will send on your topic a video. So we can create different application in C Sharp.net, such as console application, window application, and web application. Thank you. And you have to if you have no idea about the oops concept, you have no problem, then you can send a message. Just as your requirement, I will send a video or create a video. I hope this video will help you. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.